Hello, friends. Welcome back again on the Consistency in Silence YouTube channel. So, in today's class, we will be starting our discussion on plate tectonics. As we have seen in the previous classes, we have started our theory building from the continental drift theory of Alfred Wegener. Then we have jumped to the convectional current theory of Arthur Holmes, and then we have studied the seafloor spreading theory of the Harry Hess during the World War I. The culmination of all these theories, we can see its essence in the plate tectonics theory, that is the modern theory regarding the rifting and drifting of continents. Now, what is a plate? So, plate is a lithospheric slab in the previous class. I had told you what is lithosphere in the modern view of what constitutes the interior of the earth. Lithospheric slab. These plates are various in numbers. Some plates are known as major plates, which are 7 in number, and others are minor plate, which are various in numbers. Some of the major plates are, imagine the world map, क्योंकि अभी टाइम लग जाएगा. नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, द पैसिफिक प्लेट, अफ्रीका, यूरेशिया, इंडो ऑस्ट्रेलियन. काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6, बट यहाँ तो 7 लिखा है. सो यस, अंटार्कटिका. सो दीज आर द 7 मेजर प्लेट्स. अगर यहाँ थोड़ा सा बना दें तो now there are several minor plates also, such as here we have Juan de Fuca plate. Please open your atlas, क्योंकि this is the geography section going on. Juan de Fuca plate. Here we have Cocos plate, and here we have Nazca plate. In the atlas, at the end section of the atlas, you will find such number of plates. Also, here we have Philippines plate, ये सब minor plates हैं. Here we have Arabian plate. So such number of minor plates have been scattered all around the earth. These are the major plates, North America and South America. You can see that these plates, their forms can be different. It means some are totally oceanic plates, like Pacific plate. It is completely oceanic. But other plates are kind of mix of both continental as well as ocean. Eurasian plate is mostly, not totally, mostly continental in nature, and the rest are the mix of the two. In the atlas you can find such markings over there. अफ्रीका के नीचे से निकल के here we have Indian Ocean. So such kind of marking you can see. In your atlas. So these represents the several plates. Now here we will study the interaction between these plates. So the interaction between these plates, their effect and the resultant outcomes is nothing but the plate tectonics theory. So the study of the interaction of the plates, their impact as well as their resultant structures, we will study in the plate tectonics theory. Now there can be three types of interactions. The first is known as convergent plate boundary. Second is divergent plate boundary, and the third one is transform plate boundary. Because if we have to study the impact, the interaction of the two plates, so we have to study the plate margins, because that is the real point of contact between plates. Hence our area of focus in the whole plate tectonics theory will be at the margins of the plate. These are the margins. In today's lecture we will be studying the divergent and the transform plate boundaries, because these are very small topics. Again, convergent plate boundaries, actually these convergent plate boundaries are also known as destructive plate boundary. The divergent is known as constructive प्लेट बाउंड्री. अब आपको थोड़ा सा डायलेमा हो रहा होगा, है ना, क्या? दिस इज द कन्वर्जेंट प्लेट बाउंड्री. Hence, if there is an impact between two plates, there will be a destruction. But sorry, there is not the destruction. Yes, it is written correctly that convergent plate boundary is the destructive. Actually यही रीज़न है, आप ऐसे भी याद कर सकते हो. अगर कन्वर्जेंट प्लेट बाउंड्री है, अगर दोनों इम्पैक्ट करेंगे तो डिस्ट्रक्शन होगा. मैंने कैसे याद किया था वो मैं बता देता हूँ. इफ़ देयर इज़ अ कन्वर्जेंस बिटवीन टू प्लेट्स, our area of focus will be what has been there in the middle of these two plates. So suppose these two plates are converging, so whatever that has been put in this place, it will get destroyed. Hence it is also known as destructive plate boundary. The divergent plate, now yet again our focus is what is in between these plates, and the plates are diverging in each other. It means there will be formation of something in the middle, hence the constructive plate boundary. So in today's lecture we will going to discuss these two topics. The convergent plate boundary can be bifurcated, not bifurcated, तीन में डिवाइड किया है, categorized into three: ocean, continent, 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 ocean, ocean. So this is quite a large topic. We will cover it in a single section, that is tomorrow's lecture. In this section we will cover these two boundaries, so absorb it. After the completion of this plate tectonics theory, we will jump to the geomorphology. That is the actual things that we can see with our eyes in the real world: mountains, volcanoes, how trenches are formed. So all these things. This is the base of the geomorphology. How these things have actually formed as a resultant of the plate interactions. So this is the base of geomorphology. The first one is the divergent plate boundary, also known as, अगर डाइवर्ज हो रही है तो देर इज कंस्ट्रक्शन इन द मिडल. We have to start from a continent divergence. So these diagrams you have to remember and revise so that you can form them in the exam hall. A crack will be developed in the continent convergence. Why this crack is there? Yes, you guessed it right. Recall the convectional current theory of Arthur Holmes. We have the rising limbs of the magma. Hence, at the upper point, they will diverge in opposite direction. It means there is a fracture in the continental plate boundary. Now, this divergence of magma will force these two continental portions to diverge. Hence, in the second diagram, we have shown the divergence between the continent plates. There's a construction of something in between. What is this? Due to the heavy amounts of rain, this will get eventually filled with water. Hence, this phase is also known as elongated phase. Elongated C phase. Now here, this elongated C phase will further diverge the continent plates. It means after many years, there is a two oceanic plate divergence. Now यहाँ भी थोड़ा सा क्रैक पड़ जाएगा एंड उसके बाद हमारी कौन सी थ्योरी आ जाएगी? सी फ्लोर स्प्रेडिंग. द मैग्मा विल कम आउट एंड विल स्प्रेड ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. Number of the things of the resultants that this particular divergent plate boundary will give us. The first one is the क्या बताया था सी फ्लो स्प्रेडिंग में? The mid oceanic ridges. The second one, fissure volcanoes. Third is of course earthquakes. Fourth is rift valleys. And fifth is some islands. These are the resultant of this divergent plate boundary. क्या था पहले? एक पूरा कॉन्टिनेंटल प्लेट थी. क्रैक डेवलप हुआ बिकॉज ऑफ द कन्वेक्शनल करंट, डाइवर्जिंग कन्वेक्शनल करंट्स. Hence these continental plates will diverge. Hence we have the elongated C phase. Due to the accumulation of water in the elongated C phase, this accumulated water will further force divergence of these continental plates, and hence after many years we have the oceanic divergence taking place, and magma is coming out and spreading on both the sides of the plate margins. Hence we have the resultants such as mid-oceanic ridges. These are the largest mountain ranges, unbroken mountain ranges. So all these things which we will study in the physical geography, that Andes is the longest mountain range, no, that is partially correct. If you go under the oceans, then mid-oceanic ridges are the largest mountain chains in the world. Fissure volcanoes, some are the explosive volcanoes, yet some are the silent volcanoes, जो बस भभकते रहते हैं और लावा निकलता रहता है. So such volcanoes are known as fissure volcanoes. They are not that much of the size. ज़्यादातर ये फ्लैट रहते हैं. Then we have the events of earthquakes. We have the formation of rift valleys and islands. What are the examples of islands? Such as Iceland, such as Greenland. So yes, these are the resultant of the divergent plate boundary. Iceland, as we can see, has been formed from the magma of the mantle. Asthenosphere कहाँ है? Mantle में. So yet thus the material of which the Iceland has been made of is basalt. Basalt undergone metamorphism will turn into olivine. So thus olivine is green in color and hence Greenland. So we have Iceland and Greenland. ये था आइलैंड का. Rift Valley. This is the main focus of this divergent plate boundary, and one of the prime examples of the Rift Valley is East African Rift Valley. This portion you can see here, there is the plate margin. और यहाँ कौन सी चीज़ हो रही है? So before many years there was a continent divergence happening over Arabian Peninsula and this the Horn of Africa. Then it is now in the stage of elongated sea phase, and this elongated sea phase is Red Sea. अब मजा आया? सामने दिख रहा है तो. Now after many years क्या होगा? यस, अफ्रीका पूरा शायद से कट ऑफ भी हो जाए, एंड देन वी हैव द हेयर ओशनिक डाइवर्जेंस एंड देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यूअर सी फ्लोर. इट मीन्स दिस ओशन विल गेट एक्सटेंडेड. और ये चीज़ और कहाँ हो रही है? मैंने आपको बताया था पिछले बार, कहाँ हो रही है? अटलांटिक में हो रही है. यही चीज़ यहाँ जाती है, 90 डिग्री ईस्ट लाइन बोलते हैं इसको, इन द इंडियन ओशन. So Atlantic Ocean is expanding, Indian Ocean is expanding, and this Red Sea will also expand in near future. This is the formation of Rift Valley. Prime example is East African Rift Valley. और ऐसे ही शायद से क्या पता मेडागास्कर भी अलग हुआ हो. तो मेडागास्कर वाला मेरी थ्योरी है, पर्सनल थ्योरी है, इतना नहीं पता मुझे. बट यस, दिस इज द दिस इज रिटन इन बुक्स कि ये डाइवर्जेंट प्लेट बाउंड्री का प्राइम एग्जांपल है ईस्ट अफ्रीकन रिफ्ट वैली. तो ये आप एग्जाम्स में लिख के आना. आइलैंड मैंने आपको बता दिए, देयर इज अ अर्थक्वेक, फिशर वॉल्कनेज एंड मिड ओशनिक रिजेस, तो आपको पता ही है. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द डाइवर्जेंट प्लेट बाउंड्री. सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है ज्योग्राफी पढ़ाने में, उसके बाद पॉलिटी, और उसके बाद इकोनॉमिक्स, और सोशोलॉजी भी स्टार्ट करेंगे बहुत ही जल्दी. टेंशन मत लीजिए, काम चल रहा है उस पर. नाउ वी विल स्टडी द ट्रांसफॉर्म. These 2-3 subjects, if the subject portion of these subjects are on your tips in the prelims exam, so you will definitely able to clear the prelims exam. Geography, polity, economics, so these 3 exams. History भी अच्छा लगता है पर वो पढ़ाने में मज़ा नहीं आता है, पढ़ने में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है उसको. ठीक है. And there is very much factual things in history. Geography is very conceptual सब्जेक्ट, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. इकनॉमी भी ज़्यादातर कंसेप्चुअल ही है बट रेक्टाफिकेशन भी है. पॉलिटी रेक्टाफिकेशन भी है, समझने के लिए भी है, दोनों है. ट्रांसफॉर्म प्लेट बाउंड्री. एज यू कैन सी देयर इज अ वर्ड रिटन ट्रांसफॉर्म. इट मीन्स देयर इज ओनली रिफ्टिंग हैपनिंग बिटवीन 2 प्लेट्स. सो अगर दीज आर द 2 प्लेट्स, सो दीज आर नॉट कोलाइडिंग बट दीज आर पासिंग बाय. सो दीज आर पासिंग बाय. So this is known as transform plate boundary. तो आप इसको बना सकते हैं. एग्ज़ाम हॉल में मन करे तो बना देना, नहीं मन करे तो फिर भी बना देना. So one is going this direction, one is going this direction. This is the transform plate boundary. What is the resultant of this? Yes, the earthquakes, tsunamis. So these are the prime examples of transform plate boundary. What is the example? Example बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, पिछले में भी डाइवर्जेंट में भी हमने दिया था ईस्ट अफ्रीकन रिफ्ट वैली, यहाँ भी हम देंगे एग्जाम्पल सैन एंड्रियास, गेम खेला है. सो दैट इज़ द रियल प्लेस इन द आई थिंक यूएसए में ही है, वेस्ट साइड में कहीं. सैन एंड्रियास फॉल्ट बोलते हैं इसे, और उस फॉल्ट में what we are experiencing the transform plate boundary. So this was all for today's class. छोटी क्लास रखेंगे. In the next section शायद से that will be a long class because we have to cover the entire convergent plate boundary. We will start with either with oceanic convergence or the oceanic continental convergence. The moment we have left in the seafloor spreading theory, उसी से आप थोड़ा थोड़ा यहाँ रिलेट कर पा रहे होंगे, बट यू विल बी एबल टू रिलेट मोर इन द कन्वर्जेंट प्लेट बाउंड्री एंड इट इज़ अ क्वाइट इलाबोरेट टॉपिक. सो वी विल कवर इट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. टिल देन इफ योर कंसेप्ट्स आर गेटिंग क्लियर, प्लीज लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, जय हिंद.